The power of truth. In a small village, there lived two friends, Rohan and Bikram. They were as different as two people could be. Rohan was honest and truthful, while Bikram was cunning and deceitful. One day, a wealthy merchant came to their village looking for someone to manage his business. Both Rohan and Bikram wanted the job. The merchant, being a wise man, decided to test them. He gave each of them a bag of seed and asked them to grow them. Rohan took the seed and planted them carefully. He watered them and took care of them every day. Bikram, on the other hand, thought of a clever trick. He emptied his bag of seed and filled it with sand. After a few weeks, the merchant returned. Rohan proudly showed him his bag of healthy plants. Bikram, with a sheepish look, showed his bag of sand. The merchant, seeing Rohan's honesty and hard work, gave him the job. Bikram was ashamed of his deceitful ways. He learned that day that honesty and truthfulness are always rewarded, and that truth always prevails. Thank you very much.